Okay, so this is why we're fixing this thing, because it's shot, but this truck's a 96. It's got, I don't know, 215,000, but it's got to have replaced the clutch, all the timing apparatus, the belt, and everything that had to be done with that. Water pump. It's got a steering rack has been replaced in this, so a lot of the heavy crap that has to be done to keep your Toyota running is done, but it needs work. Okay, I rode my motorcycle over here in the rain to get this shot, but Kenny's put the first pieces in. And boy, it looks a lot nicer than it did. I love this stuff. Here we are.
Raymond, New Hampshire.
Raymond, New Hampshire. Saving Toyotas. I love this.
One piece at a time.
It's a big project.
One piece at a time.
Okay, and we've got springs coming. We found an entire rear frame locally, and we're buying that today for parts. And we're going to beef up these springs because I carry wet firewood sometimes. Green oak. Before and after, that's what we took off.
Oh yeah. Big difference.
Look at this.
Ain't nothing there to work with.
And getting these parts isn't easy. I got this from California because the second they're on the market, they're gone.
Your frame and a mouse living in your fucking little cubby hole.
I'm not too surprised.
I chased them out.
Yeah. Well, they moved. They moved from eastern Raymond to western Raymond. Okay, one more time on this spring. I'm loving this.
But I have to make sure.
Explain this. So this is the
This is the shock mount.
right. You had to fabricate it. 'Cause
No, well, I have to refabricate it because
Right.
the older models, the shock was mounted in the center of the frame,
yeah.
not on the top like the newer models.
Okay.
And they don't make this piece
Right.
like this. But this bracket I'll keep, and it'll attach to that new cross member.
Right.
And that puts the shock right where it has to be.
Wonderful.
And
Yeah.
be married
To that one.
to that piece, to the same dimension, and I'll put flat bar inside there,
All right.
and I'll weld the seam together with a backing bar.
We're making a tank. Okay, and here's
Oh,
the
I'm making
cross
a green
member that
overall.
I took a picture yesterday of this cross member it's in. And you can see why you didn't want to fabricate that.
Oh, I could have, but
I know you could have. Okay, we got the newest frame member.
you remember?
We
You remember what it looked like?
I haven't looked at it, but it should look like the other one. When Ken took the gas tank out, we saw that this section was shot. Kind of, you can see it, I think. So we got another piece of safety cap. That's it. But everything's lined up now.